Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is an update with some news, so come and join us. Welcome back everybody, thanks for joining us. Today we've got a bit of news to tell you, and also we've got some updates. But first, we'd just like to say thank you very much to everybody who subscribes to the channel. We do appreciate it. We love seeing your comments, and it's been nice for the new ones that have just joined us, so welcome, thank you. But also, thank you very much to those that have been with us from the beginning. So we just want to say thank you, don't we, Julia?
Yeah, thank you very much to everyone. It's really nice. We've made lots of friends as well, and you know, it's been great.
Yes, it has, and we're enjoying doing this. Now, we've come to, well, we've just reached roughly about 100 films, haven't we, as well? Which is...
I think it clicked over the other day and we're like, wow, 100 films.
Yeah.
Can't believe we've done that many, but we have.
Wow, over 100 films. So, it's and we've got plenty more to come. So, we're really pleased, and we appreciate you watching. So, thank you again. So on to the news, and the first part of the news from last weekend's is we have been lent for the season a Outdoor Revolution eSport 325 air awning.
Glad you said that, not me.
It's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's a really impressive awning. We're well pleased with it. It's a company from Yorkshire, so we're back over the hills again, aren't we, Julia?
Yeah.
And they have kindly lented us for the season. So I'd just like to say thank you to Sean from Outdoor Revolution.
Thank you, Sean, for
allowing us to use the awning. We're going to be doing quite a few videos, but not all in one go. They're going to be spread out over the season, and we're going to review it, show a habitation video, and it'll be in a few of our other videos as well. But at the end of the season, we're going to see what it's like to live with, and we're going to let you know. Yeah. It's not the most expensive of awnings, but nor is it the cheapest as well. So it's middle of the range, and from what we've seen so far, it's pretty impressive, isn't it? Nice. But we'll update you soon. So that's that part of the news. Now moving on, we've got to say that we're going to
Twitter camp.
We're going to Twitter camp.
We are indeed. Really chuffed about.
Yep. I'm pleased. We are going to join everybody on the Caravan community who goes on Twitter, and we're going to be meeting them all very soon in May, and we are going to be doing a pop quiz on the Saturday night, which we're looking forward to, aren't we?
We are. We're really looking forward to it. So it's your birthday, and it's Martin's the day after as well.
Yeah, so, Caravan Trails will be there, or Caravan Nut on YouTube.
I think we'll be a few beers tested.
Oh, there we'll be sampling quite a bit of alcoholic beverage.
Yeah.
But with the pop quiz, we've kindly had the prizes for it supported by ProTech Covers. So I'd just like to thank Paul and his team.
Yeah. For
providing the first and second prize.
Yeah, we said we're going to be raising money though for
Rich's
choice of charity.
Yes. As you know, Rich and Trev from Legs Down, sadly Trev passed away last year, and we're going to be raising money for the charity chosen by Rich, which I understand is one of the hospitals that looked after Trev when he first had his heart attack. Yeah,
it was. Yeah.
So that's where the money's going to be going to for that. The actual Twitter camp is sponsored by Cover for Caravans, so I'd just like to thank Richard Burgess.
Yeah, thank you, Richard.
Thank you. Now,
there's another bit of news. Unfortunately, is we can't go to Tourfest because I can't travel at the moment that far because I'm due a spine operation. So
yes, that's true.
That's why we can't.
So we can't travel that far, unfortunately. Morton on the Marsh just sort of like takes us to
on the travelling distance.
The travelling distance, but sadly, Tourfest is just out of our distance, so we can't go, unfortunately. But we wish everybody who's going,
have a great time.
Have a great time. Now, I'm going to have to look at my notes now.
Yeah, because there's a few updates
Yes, just moving on, we've got a few film updates. Now, a while ago I did a video on the fact that our lock on our Alco wheel lock kept seizing. And thankfully we had some really good comments and some useful tips.
We did a
And
lot.
one of the main tips was to use this. I'll just put it, there you go. I hope that focuses in. That's graphite grease. And I was told by quite a few people to try it. So I have, and it actually, I can say it's a really good piece of kit, this. I'm really impressed. It's about £4. I think I bought it off Amazon, but you can get it at DIY shops, and you can get it at Alfred's and places like that. But it's belting, it's really good stuff, so I'm impressed with that.
And we had no problem this time getting it off.
Indeed.
Yay.
So it works. Now then, the other one was the blown air heating. In another video a while back, I did the installation of the outside pipe that Swift decided to put in these caravans. We went away.
Well, we went away with last time. For
Yes, we went away with.
wedding anniversary.
Yes, we did. We went away with Martin and his wife, and who's the Caravan nut, who I'm sure you've seen us do videos with. And we had a good time, but it was quite chilly at night.
It was. I mean, it's boiling hot now. It's beautiful.
Yes.
But last time we were away, it was cold.
It was. So we put the heating on, and I'm pleased to report that it did make an improvement in the back part of the Caravan.
It made a big difference.
It
in the
did.
bathroom.
But we also put the heating system on Mix 2, which is gas and electric, and that helped as well. So again, comments
Yes,
from
pretty
everybody.
hot, pretty fast on that. It
It
really
does get hot quick, I will
quick,
say
yeah.
that.
So within 10 minutes, really toasty.
It is. But I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who suggested the Mix 2 on the comments. Thank you very much. It's much appreciated. Now then, we've also, like quite a few of you, purchased the collapsed waste pipes. And I think they're really good. There's a little picture there of them. Now we've separated them into two because the distance between our waste and the actual waste drain on this service pitch is quite short. So I've just thought, well, I'll plug one in there and one in there and it'll work. So, and it does. It's really good. Very impressed with this. It's a good piece of kit. I think we paid £25 on the pre-order.
I don't know.
I think they're around about £25. Yeah, £25 to £30. But check out them at Collapse. They are good. It's a good product. I really like it. It makes my life a lot easier, and if it's making our life easier, we can enjoy our caravan a lot more. So, thumbs up to Collapse. Well done. It's a good product. Now, finally, before we go, we are creating a Lost Weekends Facebook page. And on the Facebook page, well, obviously, there'll be links to the videos that we do on YouTube. But also, we're going to be running some 1 to 2 minute mini reviews as well. And they'll be just short little films of little products that we've purchased over the period of time.
Ideas that help the
and ideas as well. Yeah. So they'll all run hand in hand, and they're going to be on the Facebook page. So when it gets up and running, hopefully it'll be after Easter, which is Easter now.
Out, yeah.
So yeah, hopefully next week we should have this up and running. But I'll update everybody as and when it goes live. But well, everyone, I think that's everything that we've covered on our update.
I think it is. So it's Easter now. So we're away on our own. We're having Easter on our own. Alfie's visiting his great grandma this Easter.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes, he is. He's with great grandma this weekend.
He'll be with us next time.
He will. He's coming back. He'll be back on probably the next trip away. He'll be with us.
We've got a main holiday, obviously Twitter account, as we've just said, and we've got a holiday booked for him in the summer, haven't we?
Yes, we've got something planned for him in the summer, so he will definitely be on some of the films in summer. Now, I don't think we have anything more to say, really, do we?
I don't think we do. I think just again, it's thank you to everyone for watching us, subscribing to us, and it's great. We really enjoy doing this, and I know Alfie does. he keeps threatening he wants to actually make a film, but I don't think he's going to have any
I don't know whether I'm going to let him loose with my camera.
No,
We
let
might
him
have
loose
to-
with mine, but
We'll
no.
have to see.
We'll have to see on that one.
But we'd just like to say again, Happy Easter, and thank you very much for watching. And do continue to subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.